What's up guys? Please subscribe my channel for latest videos. Thanks. Vivo sub-brand iQOO is gearing up its Pet series with Pet 2 Pro. The new iQOO Pet 2 Pro is packed with outstanding specifications. The Vivo iQOO Pet 2 Pro will be powered by the latest chipset MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus 4 nanometer with the powerful 3.4 GHz octa-core processor. Display will be IPS LCD with 900 nits peak brightness and refresh rate will be 144 Hz. Size is 13 inches and resolution will be 2064 by 3096 pixels. It means you can watch videos and play games with best results. The RAM is 812 and 16 GB. The internal storage of this amazing Pad Pro 2 is going to be 256 and 512 GB. This is enough storage to provide a home for the large files. The iQOO Pad 2 Pro will be packed with a single back camera that will be 13 megapixel and the front facing camera will be 8 megapixel. The Vivo iQOO Pad Pro is fueled with a powerful battery of 11,500 mAh. The latest operating system Android 14 will be running with the Pad. The Pad 2 Pro is priced at $478 United dollars in its 8 and 256 GB version and $576 US for the 16 and 512 GB version. There will be a three colors options: silver, blue and grey. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.